Hello everybody, tonight I'm going to do a video on Ailsa's water drop system. I've never used it before, but yeah, so I just got it in the mail today, in fact. There's a couple other goodies that I'm going to do videos on. And it doesn't have any of the directions on the back of it. It just says product name, ingredients, brand owner address, brand owner email, manufacturer email and address, and then all this other stuff on it, but that's that. That's all that's on that. There's that, and then I already got base coat, black gel, and matte top coat on this. And let's see. Surprised there is no directions on this. That's weird. Smooth and strong self-leveling top coat. Extend top water drop top coat. Creates 3D water drop effect after curing. Okay, and this one says smooth and strong self-leveling top coat. Okay, so we're going to put some green cat eye on first, because I just love this green cat eye, and it's HEMA-free from Betsy. I should have done white so you guys could see it better. My mistake. That's okay. We'll get this going. I hope everybody's been doing good. Okay, we're going to use my, I think it's a cat print. Or a cat paw, sorry. There we go. Beautiful. Now we're cooking. Let's get the horn here so we can get those water droplets. Oh, this guy. There we go. And do it like that. Like that. Put that lid or so here. Let me know if you guys have used this. I hope I'm doing it the right way. I'm thinking I put this one on first. And then this guy, I'm not quite too sure. I can't believe there's no directions. Let's see. Oh, here it is. How to use. Must be cured under UV nailing, 60 to 90 seconds, okay? No kidding. I didn't know that much. 3D water drop effect in 2 steps. Okay, tell us how to do it, and I'll do it the right way. That's so crazy. How to use. That's all we have for that. That's nuts. There's no directions on the box, because I just opened everything. That's good. There's a little pamphlet in there, but I guess not. Let's give this guy a little bit more of the green that stands out more. Get better, we'll see if we can see it. Do it for another minute, but dang it, I can't believe this one. Anyway, alright, so I'm going to try stem top on the top coat. So putting down this guy and then that guy. Let's see if that works. If it doesn't, looks like I'm going to reverse the effect there and try it again. I hope it does. Beautiful. Okay, let me do it on this first. Goodness, we can get the thing open. As you can tell, I haven't touched it yet. I'm going to do a wrong video for you guys. sticking my fingers. Okay, got it. Let's give that some more. Okay. I'm sure I can't check mix and wait. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds, see what happens. See, that's what I hate. I don't give you the directions and that little pamphlet thing, like everybody else does. Okay, alright, there we go. This is the first time I actually painted nails first before I put them on. And I believe that they just raise too much. I don't like the way they look. So I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to put my nails on first and then do the design, because they just look too thick. I don't know if it's just me.
Or if they really do look that way. Let me know, guys, what you think. And that's my natural nail under there, so definitely starting to grow. Okay, let's try this now. There it goes, guys. I hope you can see it. It's starting to go. Haha, that's so cool. Very neat. Okay, now I'm going to cure this. Hopefully it'll get the way I want it to. Yeah, I didn't know if I was supposed to put this guy on or not first, but if you guys know, let me know if I was supposed to put this on first or last over top of that. I wouldn't think it would be on that, but you never know, so we'll see. I'm definitely going to fast forward this video for you guys so you don't have to sit there and wait like I'm doing. Can't wait to see the design. I'm not looking in the light just for... I don't want to look until I see it. Just like you guys. And... yeah, 3, 2, 1... here we go. Who's ready? I am. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous, guys. That's so cool. Oh my god. Oh yeah, and it's not tacky at all or nothing. That's freaking cool. Alright guys, there you go. Aillsa water drop system. For the 3D water effect. You guys gotta get some, definitely. And now you know how to use it too. So, let me know what you guys think. And I will see you in my next video. And I'm going to show you real quick. Alright. Oh, I'm glad that was close. This is what came today. Alright. How cool is that? And I'm going to check these guys out. I'm going to do a video adding that to some of the polishes. And we're going to check them out together. Okay guys, see you in my next one. Bye.